Hello friends, I have my memory card here today. So, I have a light video this week. I have to get to Adirondack Nationals, don't forget about that. I'm going to try and bring this thing to the car show. Thought I had more time. I have, what do I have? 18 days. It's on the 7th of September. I thought I had 25 days, so I've lost a week because I wrote the date down wrong. So a small light video this week. I got Dan coming tomorrow, well it's just Saturday and Sunday to help me do everything, all the brakes, all the exhaust, everything. So next week will be a lot better video, a lot more involved. I found more frame rot on Frank. I keep finding more. I hope I can fix it. So, all right, enough about that. Let's get moving hard on. I have a small shop. Can't get Frank in here. I have this, that's the shop. 2 bays, I got 3 cars in it. Trying to get this stupid thing, which I never should have taken this Monte Carlo. If you guys been watching other videos, you saw when this came in. Why do I do this to myself? So, I still have brakes, exhaust, and what else do I have to do? Oh, fix the lights. None of the lights are working. And Frank. So I'm going to have to hot wire stuff, figure out stuff, get this thing done so that it'll make it to Lake George. All right, Frank and Cranky Frank. For cranking. All right, so a lot of my lines are shot. These are all freaking dry rotted. I gotta change them all out. Look at them. It's hard as a rock. This one here. There's my rooster. You guys want to see the rooster? This is what's making all the noise, in case you're wondering. This guy. That's Cinnamon the rooster. And his girlfriends. Okay? He's a good rooster. The only good rooster I've ever had. You can walk right up to him, and he will not attack you. He's a good rooster. All right, so I changed all my wires. Crappy stuff. So I got it from the parts store. From those guys again. You know the guys. Got it from more supply. So wires are coming in. That'll be in today, and that's it. That's all I got. I'm gonna give Frank a new set of glasses today. So he could see better. I stole them from my other car. So put these in. I'm gonna try and go around. None of the lights are really working, so I gotta go around, check all that. Probably gonna take another trip to O'Reilly's and see these guys again. Get some more pieces for Frank. I need some wires. So I noticed the other day, my friend Dan came over. These are all shot. All right, so look at them all. That's not gonna help me get to Lake George. So I gotta change all those out. I'm gonna go to see who's down there today. Get some more stuff for that. Still have to fix this big hole. Oh, yeah. So far, we'll see. We can get some stuff done today. What else am I doing? Oh, I changed a bunch of these today. A bunch of lines in the front. All those were all rotted, dry rotted. We're getting there. We're getting there. He's got some new belts. I think I talked about that the other day. 2 new belts because those were done. All right, we're getting there. This. Can't get my directionals to work. I think because this is not plugged in. Yeah, they're working. Hold on. Other side? No. So my lights in the back of this thing, I found out that the wiring harness in the back has got some issues. And some of the issue was like my blinker fluid was really low in this one. So I went and bought some adjustable ones so you can add the blinker fluid to it and then put it back together. So I got these so we can put some more blinker fluid in. I think that will help the problem. Okay, so we hit 200 subscribers, so we got crazy and we tore Frank down to nothing. We hired 16 guys, ripped it all apart, and we're gonna have this thing done tomorrow. So just because we can do it now. So that's what we got. We're gonna be all excited, and that's what we're doing. Okay, maybe we didn't do it, but we did get 200 subscribers, so. Okay, so most people when they buy a car, parts car, they're like, okay, light bulb, I'll use this, fix a bunch of cars that I have. And then my brain is like, let's fix this thing and drive it to Lake George in 3 weeks. Hey guys, thanks for watching the big joke video. Anyways, a shout out to James S. Thanks for watching till the end and texting, whatever you did, posted. What did he do?
Comment.
Comment. That's why Max is here. So don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. Oh, and the calendar's coming out next week. See the pics?